How to install Jyske Bank mobile app. So just tap get and then double click to install. You will be able to install it. Jyske Bank, one of the top banks in Denmark. Also, I guess in Scandinavia as well, might be in Europe. This app is not that good yet, as you can see. It's the reviews are not that good, but yeah, if you have an account, definitely give it a try. You can see all the transactions, just like overview your cards, your inbox, your investment accounts and stuff like that. And yeah, so that's basically the idea here. Just open up the app and then you will be able to log in. You need to already have an account with Jyske Bank, and then you need to have Meet ID, which is like a Danish kind of identification service. So yeah, other apps, mobile banking apps are quite good, like Danske Bank mobile app and Nordea. Seems are better. Well, they're not that good, but they're okayish. But also there is this app. This app is a bit worse, as you can see from the reviews. So that's what it is.